welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you're here for the first time. Today I'm going to be doing a power hour cleaning challenge, and basically what that is, if you haven't heard of it on YouTube before, is I'm going to take about an hour and I'm going to spend that hour cleaning as much as I can. And what I'm doing right now is just making a list of the things that I want to get done in this hour. As you can see, it's simple things like cleaning up the kitchen, cleaning our bedroom, vacuuming, picking up the living room. My house wasn't too dirty whenever I started this, but it was just kind of a cluttered mess, so I just wanted to get it cleaned up before my husband got home from work. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be starting in my living room. And that really is probably the most annoying spot to me whenever it gets cluttered, because I feel like it just makes the whole house look dirty. So that's the one room in my house that I always want to make sure is picked up. And I have kids, so I have to be realistic and just tell myself I can't always keep it clean, but I try to just keep it picked up every single day. And I always want my house to be clean when my husband comes home. I actually realized as I was like halfway done with the living room that I didn't show you guys the time when I started. So this is what I'm doing right now. The next thing that I needed to conquer was our master bedroom. I just recently got back from a vacation with my kids, and I'd put all of our clothes away, but I had yet to put up our suitcase. So that's what I needed to get out of the room, because that actually took up a majority of our room. And as you can see, my cat was being very difficult. She just loves to be in these videos and get in the way. I have a short clip of her after the video is over. My husband was actually so sweet to clean the house while we were gone, and I appreciated it so much because I just love coming home to a clean house whenever I've been on vacation. I don't know about you guys, but I feel like that's something that I really, really enjoy, and so I was so appreciative of him doing that for me. And this was all picked up whenever I got home, and in that short time period, I had completely wrecked it. going to be tackling the kitchen, and this again was not super dirty, but it was just kind of cluttered, and I wanted to get everything picked up and cleaned and put away. I always really like to clean out my sink whenever I'm done doing the dishes, and you can see here that I am using the Mrs. Meyer's dish soap in the scent Lemon Verbena, and I just love the way that smells. It smells so fresh and so springy, and I love doing my dishes with that. And now I'm just going to spray down all my countertops in my kitchen with the Mrs. Meyer's Radish multi-surface spray. I just love the Mrs. Meyer's scents. I have tried a couple other of the cleaning products from Grove, and really the Mrs. Meyer's are some of my favorite smells. I really do enjoy the Grove products that I've gotten so far. Okay, so I'm about halfway through with my cleaning, and I've been cleaning for about 40 minutes, so I've got about 20 minutes to finish everything else up. And now I'm moving on to laundry. I had a load in the washer that I needed to move over to the dryer, and then I also needed to put a new load into the washer and fold some of my cleaning towels, which you will see in just a little bit. so now that I'm done with laundry, I'm moving on to vacuuming up the house. And this is actually going to be the last thing that I do, and I actually forgot to mark it off on my list, but I did finish up my list in the hour that I wanted to finish it. Okay guys, so I got done cleaning in just over an hour, and I really appreciate you guys coming along with me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't yet subscribed, please do so. I'd love to have you as part of my YouTube family, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!